So here we are. We got our holes did. We got the Aussie. We got Corey, the round, and then my hole. Here I am. Thumbs up. The Jeep's over there. You probably can't see it. Let's go see it.
Let's go see it.
Boom. Over there. Not dangerous at all. Just couldn't see the whole entire time. We're on the lake.
Are we going on the lake?
Yeah, there's tire tracks. I'm going on the fucking lake. Oh, no, no racing.
We're on the lake.
We're on the lake.
In a car.
Yep. Are you? There's two cars with fucking trailers right over there. Hey, somebody got GPS? Really?
I was like, who keeps yelling at you, Jake?
It's that fucking... It's
You're like, God, asshole, shut about that.
Pants, pants.
Be those assholes that drills a hole right in the fucking middle of the road. When you touched that thing, your whole pant leg just fucking started steaming.
What thing?
You touched the heater and it was like you were on fire. Look, see? You just get close to it and you start evaporating.
I need to evaporate, dude.
Oh, look, one of my little pieces of bait came off and floated up.
What?
You're jerking on it.
Oh, there's two of them.